Hi, and welcome back to my study guide for video study review with me to the Houston Community College 308 course for mathematics. And we're moving along to the sections and learning different properties to establish whether or not two triangles can be recognized as congruent. And here we are now with our next property. We had learned that if we had three sides that were all congruent to another three sides of a triangle, the two triangles be congruent. And then we also had the side angle side. Now this property here is inverted, and instead of a side angle side, we now have angle side angle. So we have an angle and an angle that are congruent, a side that are congruent, and another angle that's congruent. So basically, you can see, just recognize, if you look at the shape and the figure, the measurements that are given, you can follow around to establish what property you're using to decipher whether or not two triangles are congruent. So in accordance to the angle, side angle, angle, side angle, these measurements are congruent, these two measurements are congruent in the side, and remember, it doesn't matter how it's flipped or shaped, they're going to try and show you two triangles that are like different ways, and it's just reliable upon whether or not you can distinguish what methods of measurement that they are, which measurement for each piece that they're giving you to establish which property you can use to say whether or not two triangles are congruent. And now another way of doing that we learned here is the angle side angle, which is angle side angle, angle side angle of two triangles to recognize that they are congruent.